Okay, so in this next part on how to create your Wix website, we're gonna learn about this. Okay, so in this Wix tutorial on how to make your own Wix website for beginners, part number 3, we're gonna learn how you can create your own logo with the Wix logo maker, and we're gonna add that to the header. So this is a playlist on how to make your own Wix website. So if this is the first time you're here and you want to create your own website, you find the playlist in the description or in the top right corner of this window. Alright, so right now we have a text block right here in the header and another text block. So this is like a text logo at the moment. If this is something you want, you can just go and click on the text, click on edit text, add a marker in the text block and delete the text. And now you can add your own website or business name like so. You can also customize the text right here with themes, font size and all of these settings. But we're not going to cover that in this tutorial because we're going to create our own logo. You can do the same thing with the other text block. Just click right here, click on edit text, and now we can add a marker right here and delete this text. And now we can add a tagline. So something that describes what your business is all about. Okay, and you can of course move the block closer to the other text. Okay, so this is the text logo. But if you want to have your own logo and create it, you find a link in the description. This will take you to this page. So this link is an affiliate link. That means I will get a small commission if you decide to buy a logo from Wix. They are cheap, so it's about 20 or 50 bucks depending on the package. Okay, so to start to create your logo, click on Get It Now. So choose how you want to create your logo. You have two options. We can hire a professional designer, get matched with a professional designer to create a custom logo for you. Then you can click on Hire a Designer. So we're gonna focus on create a logo for yourself. So tell us about your brand and get the customizable logo in minutes. So we're gonna click on this one, create a logo. So start designing your logo. Add a name of your business or organization. So I'm gonna add my business name, What's Media, and add a tagline, what your business is all about. So I'm going to choose create websites for businesses. After that, just click on let's go. So what's your logo for? So add your business or industry to get the best options for you. All right. So now you can search right here. So in my case, I'm going to search for web. And then you got this drop down menu with options. I'm going to choose this one, web development agency. Click on that. After that, just click on next. So now we got this one. How should your logo look and feel? We'll tailor the font, icons and colors to match your style. So now you can choose one of these. You got dynamic, fun, playful, modern, timeless, creative, techy, fresh, formal or hipster. So I'm gonna choose creative and techy. After that I'm gonna click on next. So which of these logos do you like better? Design is important. Help us to know your style. So choose one of these that you like the best. If you don't like it, you can just click on I don't like either of them and you will get 2 more. So I'm gonna choose this one. And on this one, I'm gonna click on I don't like either of them. And I'm gonna choose this one and this one and this one Alright, so where do you want to use your logo? Help us to know your branding needs. So you can choose website, business card, social media, presentation, merchandise, and other. So I'm gonna click on website. You can also choose multiple if you like. After that, just click on next. So now Wix are working and try to find the best logos for your website. So choose a logo to customize. Alright, so here we have a bunch of logos that we can choose from. So choose the logo that you like the most. And you can also click on load more to get more styles for your logo. So I'm gonna choose this one. Click on customize. Alright, so here we have the logo. And to the left, we see that we can customize this logo. If you don't like this logo's colors and things like that, if you want to change this icon, all right, you can customize everything. So first you got this color palettes. You can choose different colors. So if I click on this one, you see that this will change the colors. So I'm gonna choose Acai Kick. And after that, you can always go to this one, text. You can customize each text. You can also add another text. So let's say I want to customize this first text. Just click on customize. So we can edit the text. We can change the font of the text. We can change alignment. We can change the text color, text opacity, like that. We can change the text size. We can add letter spacing. We can use flip. You can rotate if you like. And you can always use this as well. Text curve. If you want to curve the text like this, I'm gonna use 0. And horizontal position. And vertical position. Like that. And then we have shadow. If you want to have shadow, you can also customize the shadow. Okay, so let's play around. If you want to have it to stand out even more, like that. And then we have blur. If you want to blur the text. Okay, so I'm gonna turn that off. So just play around if you want to customize your logo. And you can also move the text right here. And you also have a shortcut if you don't want to go to text and click on customize. We can always click on the text itself. This will open up the customize settings much faster. So that's text. Then you have icons. You can delete this icon if you like. You can customize the icon. You can change the icon. So let's say I want to have another icon. So let's say I want to have this one. Click on that. And this will change the icon. We can change the size by dragging in the corners. Like that. So let's go back. And same thing here, we can change the color 1, color 2. We can change the opacity. We can change the size right here as well and do the flip. If you want to flip this icon. And the same thing as the text, okay? So I'm not gonna cover that one more time. And then we have shapes. So this shape, this vertical line, we can customize this shape, or we can add a new shape if you like. Okay, so if I click on customize, we have the same settings right here. And then we have background, if you want to change the background color. On each section here, you have almost the same settings on each of them. Okay, yes, so you know, so you can just play around until you have the perfect logo. When you're satisfied with your logo, then we're gonna go and click on this one, next. Okay, so we're gonna go down right here, and we're gonna click on I just need a logo. So we got two plans. So we got one advanced for 50 euros, and we got basic for 20 euros. Okay, for this advanced package, you got full commercial usage rights. You can also click on this arrow to see more about what you will get. Okay, so if this is the right package for you, we got standard logo files. So these two you will get in both. And extra for advanced, you got resizable logo files and social media logo files. Okay, so you got this one. Want to try out your logo? Click on download a free sample. So we're gonna try this logo out in the website before we buy it. Now we're gonna go back to the Wix website. We're gonna go to the header, right click on this text block, go down and click on delete. Do the same thing with the other text block, right click, go down and click on delete. So we have this free white space. Now we're gonna go and click on this plus sign in the left sidebar. We're gonna go to image. We're gonna go to my image uploads. Okay, so now we're gonna click on upload media. Upload from computer. Choose your logo. Click on open. Like that. All right, after that I'm gonna click on this one, crop and edit. I'm gonna remove the white text above. Like that. I'm gonna click on save. So click on the image. So it's the first one. Click on add to page. Like that. So now we're gonna drag this up to the header. Okay, so now we have the image right here. We can adjust the size like this. Okay, so then we can click on the image and we have these options. So we can change the image. We have settings. Click on settings. So here we can change the image. We can reset the image and image behavior. So if someone clicks on the image, let's say we are in our story and someone clicks on the image, we want them to come to the home page. So we're gonna click on this drop down menu, choose a link opens, and we're gonna click on this blue link icon, and then we got this pop-up. We're gonna choose page, and which page? Home page, and current window. Click on done. Alright, so when someone clicks on this logo, they will come to the home page. Alright, and then we have this one, image text. What's in the image? Tell Google. So I'm just gonna change this to my business name. Like that, and I'm gonna hit enter. So now this logo has an image text with your business name or whatever you like. So that's it. The rest of the settings I'm not gonna touch. So go and click on X. Then we have design. So themed frames. If you want to have a frame around your logo, as you can see, I got this type of frame. So you can choose if you want to have a frame around your logo. You can also customize the frame right here. So let's say I want to have this one. We can change border, opacity and color. like that. We can change the width like that, and we can go to corners. We can add rounded corners. Hit enter and it will change on all. Okay, I'm gonna go to preset designs and I'm gonna choose no frame like that. After that, just click on X. Then we have crop. So we can zoom the image. We can crop the image. Like that. And when you are satisfied, just click on this check mark, apply. All right. Then we have filters. You can add different filters. So just play around if you want to have a filter. I'm gonna use none. Click on X. Then we have animation. If you want to have your logo bounce in, glide in, fade in, float in, and so on. And also you can customize this one. So let's say I want to have bounce in. We can go and click on customize. And we can use power, soft, medium, hard, direction from left, from top right, from center, and so on. You got duration, how long this animation will last, and you got the delay, when this animation will start. Okay, then I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna choose none, click on X, and then we have this link. So this is the same thing as we changed in settings. We have added a link to this image, which will open the home page if they click on this logo. So that's it. Let's go and have a preview. Okay, so everything looks nice. If I now go to our story, change the page, and test to click on this logo, as you can see, we are directed to the home page once more. Okay, so now we have our new logo in the header. So this is how you can create your own logo and also how you can add it to your header with some customization. Now let's go to the next part on how to build your own Wix website for beginners. Okay everyone, so this is the end of this part. I hope everything went well. If you didn't, you can just comment below. If you like this one, give thumbs up. Now let's go to the next part. Just click on this image to go to the next part. So see you there. Take care and bye.